everyone, Chelsea O Studio here, and today we are talking about Bic Bodymark temporary tattoo markers. Hey guys, welcome back to the studio. So today I am reviewing these Bic Bodymark temporary tattoo markers. This set I got at Walmart. It comes with this inspiration lookbook, but I can't tattoo myself. So this is my assistant for the day, the assistant to the artist. And I'm gonna let her introduce herself.
My name is Kayla. Hi everyone. And I don't know what to say.
Say what you do. Just say what you want to be.
Superman.
You want to be Superman?
My name is Kayla. I am a fashion designer. I've been designing for 7 years now, and I'm currently working on a 2021 collection for a fashion show.
She's gonna be my model for these markers, and I'm hoping we can get through this because we're gonna crack up a lot. We haven't actually looked at this yet. I bought these on my own, and I don't know what's in this, so I just know about the markers. So I'm gonna go ahead and, actually let's look at the back. Cosmetic quality, okay. Lot number 000486.
Very important.
Yes. Recycle your boxes, guys. Don't use near eyes or lips, so don't tattoo your face, people.
Nope.
No Post Malone in here. Do not use on broken or irritated skin.
I'm not broken or irritated.
Oh, good. Are you clean and dry?
Yes.
Okay. Removal may require several washings. Interesting. Okay, now we'll open it for realsies. Oh, look, another box. There's the book.
Ooh.
What is this? Oh, they're stencils. Okay. So, arrow and a music note, a rose and a diamond. Lines and a rose. This looks like an ankle tattoo. Why is the stencil so pretty?
Which one?
The holographic part.
Oh.
And then some cherries and a
cherries.
pineapple. Okay. So then the markers themselves, it has black, brown or gold, I'm not sure, red, pink, blue, and green. Okay, and then there's an inspiration book. Okay. She's like the face of these, but she's a really, really insanely good tattoo artist. Tips and tricks. Okay, maybe this will be helpful. Sketch with a Sketch with a lighter marker first, and then fill in with a darker marker, shading and color blending, and then adding layers. You just gotta make sure it dries. Thick and thin lines, final outline, protecting it. Protect it from water to keep it longer. So I guess just stick your arm out of the shower and it'll last longer.
Gotcha.
We'll see. Enhance an existing tattoo.
Ooh.
Prank ideas. Drawing
oh
a
my
six-pack. How to erase an alcohol solution. All right, let's look at these. That was super successful. There we go. Got it. Okay. I'm gonna try and just test some colors first. So the two best colors in my opinion are this blue and the pink. I think they're the most pigmented. Everything else kind of about the same. Semi-transparent. You actually have 4 tattoos? 5 tattoos?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 tattoos. So do you think this is gonna be any easier than getting a real tattoo? What color? Que color?
Let's go with pink.
Okay, pink.
Mm-hmm.
Was that an easier experience than a real tattoo?
Much easier.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does that make you want your next tattoo?
Oh yeah. I just want to kind of see what happens when
Oh, when you bend it? Or when you swipe it? Swipe it, yeah.
Swipe or no swiping.
I'm so leaving that in. I hope the audio picked that up. Because I'm leaving that in.
It's not going anywhere.
Nice.
Cool.
I like it. Look at you, Bic. Good job. Your pink one. I'm liking it.
Okay. Okay. I don't know. Let's go with a butterfly.
A butterfly?
Yeah.
Okay, where do you want the butterfly?
Right there.
Okay, I can do that.
Now I kind of want a butterfly.
Okay, the butterfly is done. And now we are going to do our next thing, which I think we're gonna let a random generator decide because neither of us wants to choose. Fantasia. Let's see, what do I have the colors for?
The hat.
So we have drawn 3 tattoos.
Yes.
Butterfly. You can't see that. There you go. The hanger and Fantasia with dots.
Yes.
So, a long time ago, I drew this drawing. I will put it on the screen right now. Magic. Of Pocahontas. And she's obsessed. The reason I drew that in the first place was for her. She has the original. And we've decided that I have the colors here to do this drawing. So, it's gonna work. I'm excited and terrified because I can't exactly erase if I get her face wrong, so here we go.
I believe in you.
Oh, thanks, I need it. So it's going on her shoulder, the clean one.
Yes.
Over here, back here. Okay, so she hasn't seen it yet. I don't know how we're gonna show her, but we're gonna show her. Okay? All right, you ready?
Oh my god! Oh my god, it's so pretty! She's singing.
Yep.
That is so pretty. Yep, I'm getting it. It's
Apparently,
decided.
this wasn't a YouTube video about markers. This was a YouTube video about her next tattoos. This is what's gonna happen.
All of them.
Okay, so to summarize the Bic Bodymark markers,
A lot of fun.
Yeah, actually, like if you have a night in, this is a really, really good activity. And if somebody gets a little crazy and draws something that, you know, you don't want on you, just get some rubbing alcohol and it comes right off. Colors specifically, my favorites were the pink one and the blue one because they were crazy vivid, even on her darker toned skin. And then layering is your friend. Layer with them and experiment a little because we got a really, really pretty blue by layering green, pink, and blue, which is anti-color theory. That you don't do that. You would get brown normally if you would do that. But something about these markers, they just overpower each other. The black, actually, oh, there it is. Barely used it. It's super thin. It comes out like a darker gray. I kind of understand where they were coming from with not making it a perfect black, because if you look at her tattoo, it's faded, it's a little grayer, it's not a perfect black like a Sharpie black, but none of the other markers look like the color you would get in a tattoo. So they dry really fast so that you don't have to worry about it coming off. I would say definitely recommend for fun, maybe not for like a prank, because I don't think anyone would believe you, but definitely for fun. Yep. And also, if you use the side of it whenever you're trying to layer, rather than trying to like scribble over it like this, it's less streaky. Draw at an angle that your ink is coming out down instead of up. That will help too, because I was having trouble with the hat because I was drawing up and I should have been drawing down.
I will keep you posted on how long they actually last.
Yes, and if anything has changed by the time that this video comes out, then I will add that at the end of this so you guys can see how they last after a few days or something. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that was somewhat entertaining. I know that we had a lot of fun because we were cracking up the entire time. There's so much footage of us laughing that you guys just didn't see. And thanks for being my model.
Thank you for inviting me.
Sorry I got you wanting more tattoos.
Oh, don't be sorry.
Alright, so if you guys want to see some behind the scenes footage and you want to see more of my artwork, you can go check out my Instagram. If you want to buy anything, you can check out my website at chelseaostudio.com. If you guys like the video, please like it and subscribe down below so you don't miss any of my future videos. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and I'll see you next week. Bye!